Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
The committee members have been of immense help to us at this point. Okay, since this is the way it is done now, we want to thank everybody for coming, for showing love to Tosin. We pray that as we go back home, that the Lord will take us home safely, and may we find favor in the sights of God. Thank you everybody for coming. Thank you for being there for us. Aurelian appreciates every one of you. Funke appreciates every one of you. Thank you very much. Good night and God bless you. Thank you.
Reminiscing tight, like they took a